All right, so they are saying that. What a goal! Oh boy!
For it, and it's stopped by Link. Points coming here, Ireland. Over to Graham. Graham holds, he's got McConnell back door. What a pass by Declan Graham! And an open net goal, his second. Plays this to the blue line, here's a breakaway. Phillips in all alone, short-handed, scores! Now Steinbach's gonna give up a 3-on-1. Good back check though by Vautour, breaks it up. Winnipeg has the puck again. Around the goal it goes, Steinbach's back to 5-on-5, they play it in front and score!
Over to Weisblatt, now it's Riley Funk across the line. On the far side, plays that one in front!
Straight back to Anderson, he's going to play that back up right across. Penalty expires, Cross plays that over to Anderson. Anderson down low to Park, that rebound comes out. Right to Rans, and Rans fires that one.
Gets a good piece of him, and if he would have gone more, it would have been a slashing penalty. But now Benton's nice move. Kyle Benton's all alone. Benton scores! Kyle Benton with a beauty!
Something should be due, but he played unbelievable.
And that one kept it off, and he scored!
Puck before pulling down his man Park. No call coming up on that penalty as Morrison jumps through. He's bodied off by Gibbons as that puck comes through, up into the slot.
Burton dumps it all the way back into their own zone, rimming it around the boards off of Graham and out. And now look at Sidoni's away with a 2-on-0. Dulke scores!
Paquette, cross ice, now he's a chance for Bassarat, scores!